Hello. A really important aspect of everyday life, which is key to master, is your ability to read and understand words you are quite likely to see in writing, which tend to follow particular spelling patterns. So, how can you develop in this area of your literacy? Well, here are a few ideas which will enable you to achieve this goal. So, first and foremost, decoding. So, use skills such as learning phonics, the sounds of letters, which help you to break the keywords down into smaller sections. So, you'll be able to identify what sounds certain words, certain letters, and certain combination of letters will make. However, word recognition, which is another important area, and this is the idea that sounding out words is a fantastic way to understand new words. But as we know, there are many words which we see multiple times when we're reading. So, with this in mind, if we simply learn the words themselves and can then recognize them every time we see them, well, this will speed up your reading and make you feel more confident. So, words like the, and, also, because. Lots of times you'll see those in the things that we read. Listen also to audio recordings or watch television with subtitles on because this will help you to identify the key words and what they sound like when pronounced. Something else which is quite important to do, which will really help your understanding, is to learn prefixes and suffixes. So, a prefix is part of a word that is added to the start of a root word to alter its meaning. A suffix is the same thing that goes at the end. So, for instance, if I write the work was of a good standard, then that indicates that the work is agreeable. It's fine. However, if I add the prefix sub, which means below, suddenly the sentence has been altered to the work was substandard, which now suggests that what was produced was not good enough. So, learning your prefixes and your suffixes will really help you to understand what you're reading, or at the very least, help you to make a more educated guess about what you are looking at. What is clear of all of this, of course, is that practice will make perfect. And the more we practice, the better we will be. Finally, sometimes we are also asked to ignore that last bit. Thank you.